To get local customers, you need a content marketing plan that is focused on local. You need a targeted local plan that delivers results, and those results need to be tracked. Want to learn more? Then stay tuned. Even though many businesses regularly update their Facebook page, Twitter account, Instagram, or blog posts, most do not know how to measure the return on their content marketing investments. A business must know what a like is worth or about the value of a retweet or review or comment on the company blog. Here's the plain truth: you can't make much headway in evaluating content marketing without first having a clear content marketing plan. For some business owners and managers, creating such a plan can be overwhelming. So don't worry, I'm here to help. I want to share a basic plan for our content marketing strategy. Yes, you have probably read or watched other videos on this subject, and everyone has their advice or secret plan to success. But to be truthful, every content marketing plan we do here at Blue Lacy SEO is custom made for each client and each type of business. But this information will steer you in the right direction in developing the right plan for your success. So here's 5 steps to a content marketing plan. Okay, first, what is the goal? You need to identify the action that you seek. Now, note that action here means an observable behavior, not an attitude or a feeling. So ask yourself this: what do I want people to do? Be specific. Don't just answer, I want to gain a customer. Let's say if you're a wedding photographer and you want more people contacting you about your photography services, you want to be able to showcase your work for people to see, and the best way to do that is on a website. So the second part of this is the target audience. Identify who can give you the action. For the wedding photographer, they want to target people who are planning to get married. Remember, the target audience has specific characteristics. Avoid thinking of your audience as the general public. So number 3 is the channel. Decide how to reach your audience. Most local businesses are best served by using local search. These are people that are searching for the product or service that you offer. Businesses must also understand that the most used local search platform is mobile phones. 86% of US customers are searching through their mobile phones. So you have to make sure your website is mobile friendly. Now, Facebook ads are very popular and they are reaching, but are they reaching your target audience? Facebook tries to place your ad in front of people that show an interest in what you have to offer. So I'm not saying that Facebook ads are bad. They have some of the lowest cost per click in the industry. What you need to know is the cost per conversion. But even a great cost per conversion doesn't mean a Facebook campaign will be worth the money. Deciding whether or not Facebook is right for your business is less about cost per click than it is about ROI, or return on investment. One of the best ways to generate revenue for your business is by organic clicks from people searching for your products or services using search engines such as Google or Bing. Yes, there are paid ads on Google and Bing, but they have much higher cost per click than Facebook. Now, these clicks, either organic, which means they're unpaid, or paid ones, send them to your website. one of the cheapest forms of advertising. And if you have a Google My Business listing, which is free, this is even better. This is what showed up on your screen here before the organic results. Now, millions of people every day search using web browsers to find local businesses. But your business website and your Google My Business has to show up high in the search engine rankings for people to find you. Now, number 4 is the content. Now, content should give answers. Ask yourself what will motivate your target audience to act when they see your website or find you through local search. For example, the wedding photographer needs to figure out what their target audience is seeking and what questions they want answered. They need to make sure the answers visitors are seeking are answered and make it easy to find more answers through contact with the business in the form of phone, email, or a contact form. All right, finally, we get to number 5, the evaluation, where we decide how you know it works. All this content marketing you did, how do you know it works? This is the key question to ask really at the beginning of the content marketing planning. It is why we want to express the desired action and behavioral terms. If more local people are viewing the website, the Google My Business listing and Facebook page, then it worked, right? If the goal was achieved, was it due to the content marketing or some other reason? How do you know? That's the challenge of the evaluation stage, connecting results to your content marketing activities. Now, using free or low cost metrics, you can track the numbers and the demographics of people who visited your Facebook page, came to the website, looked at your Google My Business listing. You can identify which pieces of content were most effective in driving traffic to your site, and then refine the content marketing efforts going forward. Now, content marketing should be part of any local business plan. That plan could also include paid advertising, such as Google Ads, local radio, and television ads. Uh, we offer all of those different areas of content marketing here at Blue Lacy SEO. So contact Blue Lacy SEO and we can figure out the best marketing plan for your business. You can reach us at 915-494-2382 or 915-471-9796 or email us at info@bluelacyseo.com. Thanks for watching. Be blessed and we'll see you next time.